Hello friends, today I'm doing the unboxing of sandals from Adidas. So they came in this box. Adidas model is called 90S Sandals and I've got them in size US 10 woman, and sandal slides made in Vietnam. UK 9, but I think they are not 9 because they were slightly small on me. Not small, but they are not too big, and I know I have UK 7, so they are a little small. So let's open them. They look like this. Let's take them out. So this slide looks like this, summer slides. They are a little chunky because they want to look like they are slides from 90s. So they come with those nice white stripes, and on the bottom we have some neoprene kind of material, or some kind of material like that. And here we have Adidas logo, and here Baco, which also says Adidas, and also they come with Velcro on here, so you can adjust this one, this stripe. This one doesn't adjust, this and this. And this part is like kind of foam, really comfortable, but not so comfortable as in my Adidas slides. Not as comfortable as in my other slides, but still comfortable. And here looks like this, and it's a little bit thick at the end. Here is the tag, and inside they also says Adidas. Yeah, it's a really nice chunky sandals from Adidas. Chunky sandals. At first I was not sure if I want them, but kind of they are cute, so I will keep them, as I need some sandals. These ones are they were on sale, and they are also coming in different color like beige, but the beige wasn't on sale, just this one, black. So yeah, I will try them on and see how I look in them. And I also exchange a pair of Adidas sandals because I've got them before in size 9, and these ones are in size 10. So just showing you again, it looks like this. They run small because they are slightly like almost as good, but could be a little longer. Yeah, let's see the same. This one is shorter. See, it's shorter a little bit. Not this much. So yeah, I will try them on if size 10 fit me better. Okay. Hope you enjoy such videos. If you do, thumbs up, and let me know if you like such videos, and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload. See you in the next one. Bye.